Hi, Ellie here, and today we will be preparing for an interview as AI PM.
Let's skip questions about you and get straight to the first question: design AI product for content creators. We will follow Meta's structure, which is understand, identify, prioritize, solution, and trade-offs. First, you want to clarify and ask questions like, who is this for? Are the users all the users on Instagram, for example, or are those only content creators, influencers, and such? Let's say we're talking about content creators specifically who are having a pain point of growing. It's getting harder and harder to grow on Instagram, as well as there's always this fatigue. The opportunity here is for users to have an AI creator assistant who will be helping the creator to ideate on their idea and create new content. This assistant might even run A/B testing to see the segmentation and if the content is working well. You should also stay creative, and I would suggest thinking outside of the box just to be memorable, because otherwise it's basically your ChatGPT answers. So be creative and a bit Machiavellian in a way that you throw in something that the audience, your interviewer, is really thinking about. For example, one of the things that actually helps you grow is having controversial content. Whether we're going to talk about it officially or not, it is true. So when you post something and underneath there are hateful comments, oftentimes humans tend to try to be defending the creator and having arguments with these people who are posting. What does it do? It makes them feel better, as if they're really good people trying to protect the ones who are in danger. Now, you might know that some people pay for this so that other people are posting negative comments, and sometimes it's the same people. So Instagram tries to make sure that they identify these accounts that are owned by the same person. Now, what about the content creating assistant who is also responding to those comments? Meta interviewer might not like this, but Meta is the one that is creating this psychology loops. So what can you do to still gain a plus for your interview? You can take that fact that you are aware of how the psychology of Instagram works, and you could say, I would want the assistant to also identify where the automation is happening, where the negative comments are happening, whether to react on them or not, and make rules on how to react. Now remember, Instagram is interested in real people conversing and getting engaged, but also they want content creators to be successful. So here you are, you can have a Machiavellian AI agent assistant in Instagram for a special price. And boom, your content is growing like crazy. These tricks are being used by Russian influencers every day. So why not capitalize on it? What I would also do is I would suggest the assistant will hash through all the Instagram accounts and identify where these things are happening outside of the AI assistant system that is owned by Instagram. Next question: Reels engagement drops by 10%. What do you do? What is the problem? We always start with metrics. We split the metrics by geography, by activity, and try to identify where it's dropping and why. When it comes to Reels engagement drop, where exactly is it happening? Is it during creation or later on? Are the likes lower? Is it sharing? What is the problem? Is it content fatigue or algorithm changes? Is there something that TikTok has created that is drawing attention of users today instead of sticking with Instagram? Now, the very classic question: tell me about the situation where you disagreed with your team and what did you do about it? This is where we use STAR system: situation, task, action, result. You definitely have to have these stories prepared where there's a problem between you and engineers or your team members, and where you come to a consensus, or you even make sure they agree with you. You have to have these stories prepared where you have the negotiation with your team, your partners, your customers, and at the end of the story, either you win or everybody wins. Preferably everybody wins. You have to be the one who negotiates and persuades others to agree with you. From technical questions identifying how much you know about AI, infrastructure, architecture, to a question that is more strategic, like for example, what should Meta do with AI for the next 3 to 5 years? You have to prepare all these answers in advance. And if you're able to, shove in some of your knowledge while you're telling the story.
If you found this video useful, please follow and subscribe. Ask any question and I will be happy to answer.